Okay, moving online then. Browsers and email. The sources get specific about settings there.
Yeah, they suggest tweaking browser settings to block active content, things like ActiveX, Java, scripting. These are like mini programs websites can run.
Useful sometimes, but risky.
That's the trade-off. They enable features, but they're also pathways, vectors for bad code. Blocking them shrinks your attack surface.
But doesn't blocking that stuff sometimes break websites? How do the sources handle that?
Good point. They acknowledge it can cause issues, but lean toward security first. Maybe only enable those features on sites you absolutely trust, and only if you really need to.
And email?
For email, they suggest setting it to show messages in plain text, not HTML. HTML emails can hide sneaky things like web bugs or scripts that run just when you open the message.
So plain text strips all that potentially dangerous stuff away.
Exactly. Much safer.
Now, this is interesting. The sources spend a lot of time on the human factor, social engineering.
Because, honestly, it's often easier to trick a person than to crack the computer's defenses. Social engineering is just manipulating you, getting you to click a link, open a file, give up info.
Stuff that compromises your security.
Right. And the sources say it's incredibly common.
So it boils down to being really careful about what you click or download, especially if you don't know where it came from.
Precisely that. Be super wary of emails you didn't expect, weird links on social media, pop-ups demanding you download something now. Attackers love using urgency or tempting offers.
Makes you click before you think.